I'm a for skincare. I didn't know about Medicube Kojic Acid Turmeric Toner until this comment, but after that, guess what? Yeah, you guessed it right. I got it. আমি এই টোনারটা সম্পর্কে বেশি কিছু জানি না, আমি জাস্ট দেখছি and order করে দিছি. The last time I used a product that contains turmeric, also from Medicube, it didn't go well. But yet, I wanted to try this. As far as I know, this contains kojic acid, turmeric, niacinamide 5%, and glycolic acid 3%. I think based on this, this is a great option. So glycolic acid, like অনেকে যদি 7%, 20% glycolic acid use না করতে চায়, then they can try this. This says this will improve skin texture, reduce dullness, also care for enlarged pores and for rough skin texture. Also, you can use this on your body and face. So this is a multi-purpose toner like the ordinary one. And I'm going to use this, show you guys my first impression. Let's get started. And that's it. এটা যেহেতু exfoliating toner, so এটা clean and dry skin এ apply করতে হয়. That's what I did. Lastly, let's spray এটা যেন আমাকে suit করে.